Good morning, my darling. Good morning. You ready to go in the plane today? Good morning, my sweetheart. Okay, up. Let's go. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Good morning, guys. I'm so excited. Today, we are flying home. We're going Fiji. We're going Fiji. So excited. We're going home after 3 years. I think I haven't been. I think last time I went was just before COVID. Yeah, just before COVID. In 2019. It's 2023 now. Oh my gosh. My husband is asleep. Welcome back. I know I don't make much videos, but honestly guys, like motherhood just takes over and it's really hard. I don't know how like mums on YouTube do it. It's crazy. I know. I know. Yeah. Hi. Hey. She's almost 7 months, so it's a really good time to go. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting our morning routine done. Our flight is in the afternoon, but we have to be at the airport like midday, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning at the moment, so. Hi. You gonna eat Weet-Bix? Lots of Weet-Bix, okay? So our bags have already been packed. I think I've got 2 suitcases for her, a diaper bag, 1 carry-on bag. We're taking the stroller, we're taking the car seat. My gosh, there's so much things that a baby needs to pack. I think I took about 2 weeks to prepare for like list and what I'm going to, you know, pack for her, and then kind of buy stuff as well, whatever I needed. But we got it at the end, and yesterday was the day that I packed everything for her. So for breakfast I am going to feed her Weet-Bix. I normally make her Weet-Bix majority of the time. She really likes it with banana, but I've packed away my blender, a portable blender, with her in her suitcase, so I'm just gonna have to mash it up with my hands instead and not use the banana today. So we're just gonna have Weet-Bix with formula. It's definitely going to be like a challenging trip because I haven't seen my family in like 3 years, you know, and my husband hasn't seen his family in Fiji for the same amount of time. And going back, you know, to our home country after she's pooping. I just changed your diaper, man. I just changed the diaper. Can you say, Mama, Mama? Can you say Mama's name? Good job. Hey guys. Can you put this? Oh, it's okay. Pwede tumula ni Carl. I will try my best. That's my brother. That's my brother. I will try my best to. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hi. You going in the plane? Ta. Mama ta. Mama ta. Mama ta. Are you done? Are you done? Where you going? Where you going? Hi. Can you say Mama? Mama. Can you say Mama's name?
Bro, we're excited for this trip. Maya's first trip to Fiji. And so far she's
Being very fussy just now, but actually it's because we've made her milk. It's ready. We just gotta feed her when we are taking off.
We just hope she sleeps for 3 hours.
She won't. Let's be real.
through. Check all doors closed.
I never realized how stressful it is to travel with a kid. Safely, thank you Jesus. We have landed safely and we're just waiting for bags. Emaya! Emaya! Look! Good morning. It is now the next day. I think it was really chaotic, kind of just getting out of the airport yesterday after we landed, so I didn't get time to film anything, and then obviously we had like a 3-hour long drive and it was at night and couldn't really see anything, so I didn't really film anything. Plus we came home and I was busy meeting everybody. So just a little recap. Traveling with a baby is honestly so stressful, and I've got a pimple right at the middle of my forehead because there's so many things that you have to take. So we had about one medium size suitcase, one small suitcase, we've got a diaper bag, we had a carry-on bag, and that was all for Emaya, and then it was just like one bag each for myself and my husband. The weather is so muggy. It's hot, but not that hot at the moment. It's rainy season here in Fiji, but where I live in Navua. My grandmother lives in Navua. Both my grandmothers live in Navua, so I'm at my dad's mum's house, so we call her Aji, so I'm at Aji's house. I'm really glad I got to come here with Maya. I think I came Fiji after like 3 years or something, but yeah, it's really nice to have her meet all the family and stuff. And we're here for 2 weeks. We're here for 2 weeks, just over 2 weeks. So we're going now. We're here in Navua, and then we're going to like Lotoka, which is the western side of Fiji. Then Ba was like more western side, and then we're back in Nandi. Probably gonna stay in a resort. I hope you guys enjoyed my first time traveling with a 6.5-month-old baby. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And Emma is staring at me like, who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? Anyways, bye guys.